How to allow people to share your post on their Instagram story. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to do it. After you open up your Instagram app, now tap on your profile. After you open your profile like this, now tap on this menu at the top right side. Now scroll to down and tap on this. As you can see, now scroll to down and tap on this account privacy. Under account privacy, make sure your account is public. Make sure you turn off this option. Now tap on this back arrow. Now scroll to down and go to this. As you can see now, sharing and remix. Tap on it. So after you open this sharing and remix, as you can see now, make sure you turn off this option. As you can see now, make sure you turn on this option. Here it says allow post and reel sharing to story. So turn on this option like this. After you turn it on, now you allow people to share your post on their Instagram story. If you are using Instagram Lite app, the settings are different. So I'll show you how to do it in Instagram Lite app. After you open your Instagram Lite app, tap on your profile and tap on this menu at the top right side and go to this settings. After you come to this settings, now go to this privacy. Under privacy, as you can see now, go to this account privacy. Make sure your account is public. As you can see now, turn off this option and tap on this back arrow. Now go to this story section. After you open this story section, now scroll to down and turn on this option. As you can see now, allow sharing to story, turn it on. So that's it guys on how to allow people to share your post to their Instagram story. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.